Hi everyone, welcome to Gigi's creation. For a start, we'll turn this truss into a beautiful flower stand. So, let's paint this little box to serve as a feet or a stand or whatever you call it. I don't know. But anyway, we paint this one first. I think it's almost done. That's it. So now we need to put this mat, wrap it around to cover the cardboard. Put the hot glue all over the whole cardboard so that it doesn't come out. Make sure to put a lot of glue, hot glue, so that it sticks properly. There. As you can see, I'm putting more glue for this side to make it stronger. Now, I need to cut this side because I don't have enough mat, so I have to cut it and have to measure it onto the other side. You will see later on. I'm trying to put more glue just to keep it safe. Stick it properly. As you can see, I'm putting more glue in this side to stick this the rest of this mat because I didn't have enough. I got only one, so I have to make sure I have enough to cover the whole cardboard. There you go. It's almost done. I have to put more of this pieces of this mat that I cut off to cover the opening of this box, so it doesn't show it's like a box. It should be looks like a wood, not a paper box. There, it's done. And now here's the revelation. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.